Hi everyone, what a crazy couple of weeks it's been. I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little stir crazy in my house. And when I get stir crazy, I tend to like to craft. So today I have a tutorial for you that is not only a super easy project, but it can be helpful to you and those in your community. I feel like every day I see a headline about how hospitals are short on masks. And that's a huge problem with illnesses that are spread through the air and through droplets and whatnot. So today I wanted to share a quick tutorial on how to make hospital masks. This is something that you can make for your own family, put in your 72-hour kits, or even use if you do get sick. However, there are hospitals in the country that are looking for donations of masks. So if you're looking for a project, this is a great thing you can do. Not all hospitals are accepting these, but you can reach out to ones in your area to see if they are. Even if they aren't, you probably know a nurse or another healthcare worker that might be wanting a reusable face mask. So this would be a great gesture to them, especially during this crazy time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew one of these masks. I have 4 different sizes. Right here you see the large, this is the medium, this is for an older child, tween type age, and this one I'm still working on is for about 5 and under. It doesn't require a lot of skills. I will preface this, I am not a seamstress. You will look at this, and if you are a great sewist, you will probably look at these and be like, oh, that is just terrible looking, all the seams. But the thing is, as long as it works, that's all that matters. So it's very easy. It's just a straight stitch and a couple of different modifications. You do have to do some pleating, but it's really easy to do. I have 2 patterns that have all the sizes. One is in the Cricut Design Space. I found it so easy to just use my Cricut Maker to cut out the different pieces for the project. But I know not everyone has a Cricut Maker, so I also have made one that's a PDF that you can just print off and then you can easily cut out the pieces. It's really just a rectangle, so it doesn't require a lot of skill of cutting. I just like the Cricut Maker because it cuts them exactly the same and I don't have to do the cutting because I'm not a big fan of cutting out fabric. I don't know about you. If you do use your Cricut Maker, you do need the rotary blade and the pink fabric mat. I don't recommend using the Cricut Explore Air 2 because while you can cut fabric with it, you typically have to put some kind of backing on the back of it, which doesn't really work very well with these masks. I use 100% cotton. I bought some different fabric quarters from Joann's, but most of us probably have fabric cotton that's just sitting around the house. From what I've read, cotton is the best option for these types of masks. I played around with the pattern a little bit and I made it so there's a little bit of a nose notch at the top, and these actually fit quite well. There's different debate on masks and who should wear them, what they should comprise of, and whatnot. However, this is just a simple mask and it's something that you can easily make in just about an hour or less. I've used 2 different types of elastic when I've made these. This one is a cord elastic, and this is just about 1/4 inch of a flat elastic. I actually prefer the flat one. I find it easier to sew in here. If you do use this kind though, you want to knot off the end when you make it. I do press the seams after I sew it the first time, and I use my Cricut Mini, my Cricut Easy Press Mini, and I love it. It's super small and was really easy for getting some of these tight corners, but you can use whatever iron you want. Again, I have a pattern for both the Cricut Maker and PDF. You can get both of those links in the description for this video, as well as a link to the tutorial on our blog for the face mask, in case you need more detailed instructions than the video will show. So I'm going to show you just an overhead of me making them. Feel free to ask any questions, and again, go to the link in the description in case you have more specific questions. They probably will be answered there.